Good morning, children. Our lesson is public health and the government. Today we are discussing about the status of nutrition in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The public facilities related to people's basic needs. Adequate food, safe drinking water, proper sanitation and prevention measures are the basic to a healthy living environment. Adequate food, safe drinking water, proper sanitation and the prevention measures are the basic healthy living environment. Healthcare does not mean only treating diseases. Healthcare means does not only treating the diseases but ensuring the provisions of these basic needs. Healthcare does not mean only treating the diseases but ensuring the provisions of basic needs. Are we able to do this? Our government are able to this. The recent studies indicate that the level of nutrition of people in our country is very low. Okay, recent studies they conducted one of the survey. Through that we know the level of the nutrition. The level of the nutrition of the people in the country is very low. A large section of population is living their life in a way that it may not be noticed that these people are undernutritious all the time. A large section of people is living their life in the way that may not be noticed that these people are undernourished all the time. This condition arises even though we have the enough stock of food grains to feed everyone. In our country, how are the people are? A large section of population living their life that they may not be noticed they are undernourished. This condition arises even though we have the enough stock food grains to feed everyone. But also this situation is there in our country. These people does not have the purchasing capacity to buy enough food grain for their family. These people do not have the purchasing capacity to buy enough food for their families. We know of this serious situation through nutrition studies carried out across the country. This all we know. This serious situation through nutrition studies carried out throughout the country. So through this studies, okay, we can know that all the people in our country all are undernourished. For all of us require some fat in our body to remain healthy, to provide the sources of energy for our activities. All of us require some fat in our body to remain healthy, to provide the source of energy for our activities and protect ourselves from infections. People who are undernourished are not eating adequately. People who are not eating adequately are not able to build the minimum fat requirement from their food for normal activities. The people who are not eating adequately are not able to build the minimum fat requirement from their food for normal activity. They may not be ill. Who are not eating adequately food, they may not be ill, but will feel weak. They often feel weak, tired and are likely to fall ill easily. The people who are not adequate food, that people not able to build the minimum fat requirement for their food for normal activity. They may not be ill, but will often feel weak, tired, and are likely to fall ill easily. This situation is can be overcome by adequate food. The situation can be overcome by adequate food and not by any special medicine. The situation, how we can overcome it? Through adequate food, but not by special medicine. It is like a starvation of It's like a situation of invisible starvation. It's like a situation of invisible starvation. కనబడినటువంటి ఆకలి. They do get food to eat, but less than what is required. They do eat food but less than what is required. They are eating food but less than what is required. Therefore, their starvation is not visible. They are eating only, but not adequate food. They are eating what they required. In one surveys conducted, okay, we can know the situation through the AP Human Development Report 2007. AP Human Development Report 2007. Okay, this report is saying about the freedom from hunger. Freedom from hunger and malnutrition is a basic human right. It is a basic human right and the fundamental prerequisite for the human and the national development. Freedom from the hunger and the malnutrition is the basic human right for human and the national development. Better nutrition means stronger immunity system. Better nutrition means stronger immunity systems, less illness and better health. So what is that? Better nutrition means strong immunity system and less illness and better health. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, according to the World Health Organization, poor nutrition contributes to 1 out of 2 deaths associated with infections, diseases among children below 5 in developing countries. WHO is saying what? Poor nutrition contributes to 1 out of 2 deaths. ఇద్దరిలో ఒకరు ఎలా చనిపోతున్నారట? That also mainly children below 5 years. Because of this less immunity system, they are not eating adequately food. Mainly in the developing countries. In Telangana and Andhra Pradesh also, about 33% of the children below 5 years of age were characterized as underweight. 33% of the children below 5 years age were as underweight. About 31% of the women and 25% of men are undernourished. Like most of the people in our country are not a healthy persons. So many people are underweight and undernutritious. For that our government also providing so many schemes to develop immunity systems, to provide better health schemes. We have separate ministry for health and the family welfare. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Under this, we have the again separate 4 divisions, 4 groups. First one is the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Department of Health and Family Welfare. It takes care of the national level programs for disease controls, hospital and dispensaries and medical education. First one, what is there? Department of Health and Family Welfare. Department of Health and Family Welfare. It takes care of the national level programs. Takes care of the national level programs for disease control and hospitals and dispensaries and the medical education Second one is the Department of Ayush. Department of Ayush. It looks after the local systems of medicines such as Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, Siddha, and research in them. Department of Ayush. Second one is the Department of Ayush. It looks after the local systems of medicines such as Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, Siddha, and research in them. They are researching in them. Third one is the Department of Health Research. Department of Health Research. It is concerned with the research in medical and health activities. Department of Health Research. It is concerned with research in medical and health activities. Last one is the Department of AIDS Control. Department of AIDS Control. It takes the programs for prevention and control of AIDS, means HIV. Last one, what is the Department of AIDS Control? It takes the programs for prevention and control of AIDS, that means HIV. Now next we have one another COVID-19. It also take up the programs for prevention and control of COVID-19. Like that we have the separate ministry in central government. That is the Ministry of Health and the Family Welfare. It looks after the health of the peoples. In our state government also providing so many schemes for to improve the health conditions of the peoples. Most of the medical facilities in both the private public sectors are located in urban areas. A study also conducted during the 2003 based on a sample survey in selected areas found that most of the qualified private doctors, 95%, were in the urban areas. The actual availability of doctors in rural areas, though officially posted in these areas, may be neglectable. The actual availability of doctors in rural areas, officially they are posted in these areas, may be negligible. Given the widespread prevalence of absenteeism, they may not go to the hospitals. Okay, this situation also there in our country. For next what is to improve the conditions, government to improve the conditions of the health of the people, government also started Arogyasri program. Arogyasri scheme was started as a medical insurance scheme to the white card holders. For treatment, they require hospitalization. Most of the people in our country are the poor people. So our state government started this Arogyasri program. Under this scheme, a medical insurance scheme, it is the medical insurance scheme to white card holding families for treatment that requires hospitalization. The scheme covers a very large number of illnesses and includes many private hospitals as providers. Like this, government also providing so many health programs. Okay, this is our lesson, the public health and the government.